Inaccurate bills of material, or BOMs, impact material plans, resource schedules, costing, and quality, eroding margins and customer loyalty. Build better products faster with a flexible system that connects seamlessly with engineering apps for end-to-end product lifecycle management. Define materials, labor operations, work centers, machines, tooling, and overhead for accurate product costing. Create BOMs from the entry screen, copy existing BOMs, import them from files, or convert estimates to BOMs. Custom BOMs are generated from the rules-based product configurator. Use native PLM and marketplace connectors to create and harmonize manufacturing BOMs inside Acumatica from engineering BOMs in popular CAD or PLM applications. BOMs connect seamlessly to related Acumatica applications for improved production and inventory management, material planning, and scheduling. Streamline revisions with engineering change requests and change orders with configurable approval workflows. Gain insights and automate processes with robust analytics and utilities. Start by setting up the system. You may use bills of materials and routings with or without engineering change control. Define number sequences and data entry settings, such as default revisions and work centers. Work centers define costs and resources used for production planning and reporting. Define actions for scrap. Automatically report material or labor operations with backflushing and define production reporting control points. Manage outside processes, shift schedules, and overhead costs. Create machine records assigned to work centers and substitute work centers for flexible scheduling and resource planning. Set up tools to track required jigs, molds, or dies with related costs and finite capacity scheduling options. View, edit, or create bills of material from the Bill of Material entry screen. Acumatica includes an integrated bill of manufacturing with materials time-phased with associated labor operations for accurate scrap costing and just-in-time material planning. Engineers working on complex, indented bills of material prefer to work from the engineering workbench, providing a single screen to create and revise multiple bills of materials. Quickly identify which bills of material contain specific items with the Where Used inquiry. The Mass Change screen simplifies item updates across bills of material. Roll-up costs for newly created or revised single-level or indented bills of material and labor routings to create accurate cost records for job cost reporting and analysis. Define engineering preferences with configurable approval workflows for change requests and change orders. Capture engineering change requests. Multiple change requests can be combined into a single engineering change order. Alternatively, you may manage revisions directly from ECOs without change requests. Workflows notify engineers when change requests or change orders require their attention. They can also proactively monitor this information from the engineering dashboard, drill down to the record, and compare the bill of material to identify what changes are pending. The engineer can then reject, reassign, or approve the change. Varied reports and inquiries provide insights into cost roll history, bill of material and routing summaries, and multi-level bill of material details. Every manufacturing engineer has secured access to production BOMs with unlimited user licenses. CAD marketplace connectors and native integration to Arena harmonize data from popular manufacturing, engineering, and design apps for faster engineering to manufacturing handoffs. Other bill of material and engineering features include notes, file attachments, effectivity dates, planning bills of material, alternate bills, byproducts, phantoms, and BOM attributes. Simplify complex bills of material with the engineering workbench and configure automated approval workflows to keep everyone informed of new part introductions and pending revisions.